Exercises to increase your hammer 3 inches in a week. 1. Stretching. Stretching the penis can aid to promote blood flow and may cause it to become larger over time. Several times a day, repeat this practice. 2. Jelqing. This exercise involves rubbing the penis to improve erection quality and blood flow. Apply lube to the penis before grabbing the base with your thumb and forefinger to do jelqing. 3. Cardiovascular exercise. Better blood flow and perhaps even better erections can result from improving overall cardiovascular health. Get frequent aerobic exercise for at least 30 minutes a day, such as cycling, swimming, or jogging. 4. Yoga. Yoga can increase blood flow and overall flexibility, which may enhance sexual function. There are other poses that can enhance blood flow to the pelvic area, such as the downward dog. By increasing blood flow, lowering stress and anxiety, and boosting general fitness, yoga can improve erectile function. The Cobra stance, for example, can encourage blood flow to the pelvic region and boost circulation. Other postures, such as the corpse pose and the child's pose, can ease tension and encourage relaxation. By raising cortisol levels, which can impair sexual function, stress and anxiety are known to contribute to erectile dysfunction. Additionally, regular yoga practice can enhance cardiovascular health and general physical fitness, both of which are crucial components in preserving healthy erectile function. Numerous workouts exist that make the claim to enlarge the male genitalia. However, these workouts may enhance erection quality, blood flow, and general sexual health.